Bob Marley was a preacher of love and peace, a philosopher whose words resonated with the depths of human consciousness. His philosophy, rooted in humanitarian aspects, transcended Jamaican soil. At the core of Bob Marley's philosophy was a belief in the power of harmony. Harmony within oneself, with others, and with the natural world. He saw in his words a means of healing for some of the dilemmas present during his era and a universal language that could unite people across boundaries of race, nationality, and other current events in his surroundings worldwide. Marley's lyrics were imbued with profound meditative insights, regardless of his religious belief, drawn from his introspective journey. He spoke of redemption, liberation, and the pursuit of inner peace, urging listeners to look beyond material pursuits and connect with their spiritual essence. Another cornerstone of Marley's philosophy was love. He believed that love was not just a fleeting emotion, but a transformative force capable of transcending hatred, prejudice, and division. His message of universal love spread among his devotees, urging people to come together in unity and brotherhood. The focus of Marley's philosophy was the call for social justice and equality. He was a strong advocate for the rights of the oppressed, using his platform to highlight issues of poverty, racism, and political injustice. He inspired people to fight for their rights and stand against injustice. The most revolutionary aspect of Bob Marley's philosophy is his belief in the power of spiritual revolution. His philosophy acted as a catalyst for awakening consciousness, a tool for breaking free of mental constraints and embracing a higher state of awareness. He invited listeners to think, reflect, and awaken to their true selves. Marley's life embodied his general philosophy. Despite facing personal struggles and health challenges, he remained steadfast in his commitment to spreading love, peace, and positive change. In a century that has inherited its share of conflict, division, and despair, Bob Marley's philosophy remains one of hope and inspiration. His words continue to resonate across generations, reminding us of the timeless values of harmony, love, and the call to awakening. Any wisdom that calls for striving for inner harmony, embracing the transformative power of love, standing up for justice and equality, and embarking on one's journey of spiritual revolution to find authenticity will be treasured as much as the pure beauty it is filled with. In the words of Bob Marley himself, "Free yourselves from mental slavery, because none but ourselves can free our minds. If love and unity prevail between us, we may create the peace we need." Bob Marley's philosophy is profound and simple at the same time. What is important is whether it has anything that might enrich us intellectually so that we can look at it and take from it what might benefit us. And at the end of the speech, subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us a motivational comment.